Today we are going to start about the introduction to the chapter reproduction in animals. So first of all, basically we should know about what is reproduction. What is reproduction? Reproduction is the process of giving rise to an offspring of the own kind, that is of their own species. It is done due to carry on the generation from one generation to the next generation. And all of we have read in class 7 that is there are two mode of reproduction. One is sexual reproduction and the other one is asexual reproduction. So first of all, you're going to read about asexual mode of reproduction. What is it? It is a type of reproduction in which only a single parent is involved and there is no mixing of genetic material, as because a single parent is involved, the characteristics that are transmitted from the parents to the offsprings are the same every time whenever any organism is carrying on or reproducing through a sexual mode of reproduction. For example, in animal you can give the example of hydra. Sexual reproduction. What is sexual reproduction? Sexual reproduction is a type of reproduction in which it involves two parents, which produces two different types of gametes, that is the male gamete and the female gamete. And the genetic information from both the parents are inherited to their offsprings. That is why every time we can find a variation, variation, in case of sexual mode of reproduction. For example, human being, every mammals, hen, cow, they all does the sexual mode of reproduction. And what happens, you can see no two organisms are exactly similar because the characteristics are coming from two different parents which are carrying different kinds of characteristics. Okay, and that is why there is always a variation, and this is the advantage of sexual reproduction. Now we are going to read about the asexual mode, the types of asexual mode of reproduction. First of all, that is the going to read is about fission. Fission is a type of asexual mode in which a single cell organizes and divides into two. The division of the nucleus is followed by the division of the cell organelle. First of all, the nucleus divides and then the cytoplasm along with the organelle get divided into two, and ultimately two daughter cells are produced from the parent cell. For example, we can take it as amoeba. Amoeba reproduces by the process that is called the binary fission, that is by which a single amoeba get divided into two daughter cells. If one parent cell gives rise to many daughter cells, this type of fission is called multiple fission. All of you have read about the protozoan, that is Plasmodium, which causes malaria. You know the single cell of Plasmodium has a capacity to divide into many thousand nucleus. Okay, and ultimately it will get divided into thousand of cells because the cytoplasm will also get divided, and ultimately a single protozoa, that is the Plasmodium, can give to many such small protozoan, and that is why in malaria the shivering comes when this mother nucleus or the mother cell divides. It causes a shaking and this gives rise to severe fever. Okay, so example of binary fission is amoeba and example of multiple fission is Plasmodium. Keep it in mind. And amoeba, you can see I have given you the diagram over here. You can see the parent amoeba over here. First of all, the nucleus is getting divided and then the cytoplasm is also getting divided, and ultimately two daughter cells are produced by the process of binary fission which is taking place in amoeba. Next type of asexual mode of reproduction is budding. What happens in budding? In this case, a small bird just starts to grow at some side of the body of the parent plant, a parent animal. In case of plants also we have read in class 7, but in this chapter we are going to be specifically reading about the animals. And this bird grows and become a new individual ultimately. You can see in the diagram. And in some organisms also you can see it detaches from the parent body and develops into a completely new individual. So in animal the example will be hydra, and in case of plant we have already read in class 7, that is yeast. This type of reproduction, where a small bird is produced and this bird grows to a certain height and ultimately it drops down and grow as a new individual, and this process is called budding.